Some news just coming in. This has got to do with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's big address ahead of the winter session of Parliament. His speech from Parliament at 10 this morning. He will give a bite at 10 in the Parliament House, as his protocol. He always does that on the beginning of the winter session of Parliament, which is starting today. The Prime Minister is going to be addressing, in fact, at 10 this morning, which is always the case in the beginning of the session of Parliament. Today is the first day of the winter session of Parliament 2024, and the Prime Minister, as always, is expected to speak at 10 this morning. From Parliament Complex, the Prime Minister will be speaking at 10 o'clock today. Meanwhile, we also expect fireworks in Parliament, expecting the opposition to, in fact, corner the government on various issues, including the Adani bribery scam and also on the situation in Manipur. Meanwhile, the government is looking at introducing the Waqf bill in Parliament, which obviously will lead to a lot of ruckus as well, given the views expressed by the opposition over the Waqf bill. The Prime Minister's speech expected in Parliament as well at 10. Aishwarya Paliwal getting in more details this morning. Aishwarya, as expected, the Prime Minister will be speaking at 10 o'clock today. This, as per protocol, is the beginning of the winter session of Parliament.
Well, let me tell you, we did get a glimpse of what the Prime Minister will be speaking about when he spoke at the BJP headquarters after the sweeping victory of the Maha-UP Alliance in the state of Maharashtra. And let me tell you, it will be on the similar lines. One thing which we are expecting the Prime Minister to speak about is that there is no place for a Waqf board under Indian Constitution. The second thing is that there will also be an appeal by the Prime Minister to the opposition party so that this can be a very fruitful 20-25 days. This is what the Prime Minister will be speaking about, that for the greater good of the country, we all need to come together and make sure that there is smooth functioning of the Parliament. So these are the things that the Prime Minister will be touching upon when he speaks at about 10 a.m. today.
All right, Aishwarya getting in those details. The Prime Minister at 10 this morning will be touching on a range of issues, says Aishwarya. These are details that we have with us as far as the winter session of Parliament is concerned. As per protocol, the Prime Minister will speak before the beginning of the session. Today, the Parliament winter session will begin. The session will run until the 20th of December, featuring 19 sittings. All eyes on the Waqf Amendment Bill. The centre might also focus on the One Nation, One Poll proposal during the winter session. The government argues the Waqf law is unconstitutional and needs to be amended. They claim this bill will prevent the misuse of the Waqf Act, which has allowed the illegal occupation of land, and it's time to stop it. Meanwhile, the opposition is prepared to counter with their own demands. They seek a discussion on the Adani bribery scam and a debate on the unrest in Manipur. Pollution in North India, hopefully, expected to be one of the key topics raised. Tomorrow, President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, Prime Minister Modi will attend a special event marking 75 years of adopting the Constitution. The event will take place at the Central Hall of Old Parliament Building.
हम चाहते हैं कि विषय अच्छी तरह से लोकसभा राज्यसभा में चर्चा होनी चाहिए। सरकार तैयार है किसी भी विषय पर चर्चा करने के लिए। सरकार की ओर से हमेशा तैयार होते हैं। हम सिर्फ अनुरोध यही करते हैं कि सदन अच्छा से चले, हंगामा ना हो। कोई भी विषय पार्लियामेंट में रखता है तो शांतिपूर्वक उस विषय को चर्चा होगा तो बहुत लाभ मिलेगा। हर सदस्य चर्चा में भाग लेना चाहता है, लेकिन सदन अच्छी तरह से चलना चाहिए।
सरकार और विभिन्न दलों के साथ हुई और कांग्रेस के तरफ से हमने कुछ अहम मुद्दे उठाए। सबसे महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दा है कि आज अर्थव्यवस्था को लेकर जो स्कैम हमको देखने को मिला, जो जानकारी हमको मिली कि किस प्रकार से एक विशेष कंपनी ने घूस देकर एनर्जी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लेने की कोशिश की। इस विषय के साथ भारत की छवि, इस विषय के साथ भारत की अर्थव्यवस्था, इस विषय के साथ भारत की जो संस्थाएं हैं जिनको नियंत्रण करने का जिम्मेवारी मिला है, उनकी जिम्मेवारी पर सवाल उठते हैं।
You can see there are many issues that are there, and Biju Janata Dal is the voice of 4.5 crore people of Odisha. The double-engine government of BJP, both in centre as in Odisha, is completely silent on such issues. And the people of Odisha believe that BJP is the only voice for Odisha and its people, and will continue to take up these issues strongly in the parliament.
Now, on Saturday, in his victory speech following the Maharashtra polls, the Prime Minister also spoke about the Waqf bill and how Congress is involved in it. Take a look.
कांग्रेस ने तुष्टीकरण के लिए कानून बनाए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश तक की परवाह नहीं की। इसका एक उदाहरण वक्फ बोर्ड है। दिल्ली के लोग तो चौंक जाएंगे। हालात ये थी कि 2014 में इन लोगों ने सरकार से जाते जाते दिल्ली के आसपास की अनेक संपत्तियां वक्फ बोर्ड को सौंप दी थी। बाबा साहब आम्बेडकर जी ने जो संविधान हमें दिया है ना, जिस संविधान की रक्षा के लिए हम प्रतिबद्ध है, संविधान में वक्फ कानून का कोई स्थान ही नहीं है। लेकिन फिर भी कांग्रेस ने तुष्टीकरण के लिए वक्फ बोर्ड जैसी व्यवस्था पैदा कर दी।